Good morning, students. Okay, in yesterday class we have studied about the structure of flower, and today we will discuss about the types of the flowers based on the position of gynoecium. Types of the flowers based on position of gynoecium. So types of flowers based on position of gynoecium on the thalamus, What is thalamus? Thalamus is a swollen tip of the pedicel. If it is a pedicel of the flower, and here a swollen tip is present, is called as thalamus. Mainly floral parts are arranged on the thalamus. Even calyx, corolla and androecium, gynoecium, and the floral leaves or floral parts are located or arranged or seated on the thalamus. It is called as thalamus. The part thalamus. It is also called as a floral primordium. The tip of the pedicel becomes swollen. The tip of the pedicel is swollen and the floral parts are arranged on the thalamus. On the thalamus, position of the gynoecium, based on position of gynoecium, there are three type of flowers are present. First one is hypogynous flowers. Perigynous flowers and epigynous flowers. Hypogynous, perigynous and epigynous. These are the three types of the flowers which the gynoecium position on the thalamus. So first one, hypogynous. What is a hypogynous flower? In hypogynous flower, so this is the thalamus. And the ovary or gynoecium are located or seated on highest position of the thalamus. So this is the thalamus, and the ovary is seated on the thalamus in highest position on the thalamus, whereas other parts of the flower like calyx and corolla. So this is the corolla of the flower, whereas androecium or anthers. So these are the anthers. Are arise from below of the ovary, below of the gynoecium or below of the ovary. So this is the ovary. Inside the ovary there is ovules are present. Inside the ovary there is ovules are present. Here what is hypogynous? Hypogynous means the ovary or gynoecium are seated on the highest position of the thalamus. Here the ovary or gynoecium are seated on highest position of the thalamus. Thalamus ki ekkada undi? Thalamus ki ovary anedi highest position lo arrange ayindi. Mari remaining floral parts like calyx, corolla and androecium are arranged from below of the ovary, and remaining floral parts arise below of the ovary. Ovary ki below part lo arise. So this is the thalamus. So it is about hypogynous flowers. In hypogynous flowers mostly example mustard and brinjal and cassia. Mustard and brinjal and cassia or China rose, sorry, it is China rose. China rose, hibiscus. China rose, hibiscus. So this is about hypogynous flowers. Hypogynous flowers. And next one is hypo means below. Hypo means below. Epi means higher position. Epi means upper or higher position. Hypo means below, and here the other parts are arranged below to the ovary. Hence it is called as hypogynous. So these are the examples: mustard and brinjal and China rose or hibiscus. So next one, perigynous. Perigynous. What is perigynous? Perigynous. Here the thalamus is cup-like in structure. Thalamus is cup-like structure. This is the thalamus. It is a cup-like structure. The ovary or gynoecium are seated at center of the thalamus. Center of the thalamus. And whereas other floral parts are arranged from, this is the calyx and corolla. So this is the corolla and andrecium or gynoecium. So there are almost same level to the ovary. Almost same level to the ovary. Here this is the ovary. Ovary has contained many ovules inside the ovary. Inside the ovary there is many ovules are present. And the thalamus is cup-like in structure, and ovary can located in the center or seated the center of the thalamus, where other parts are arranged from the rim of the thalamus. From the rim means edge of the thalamus. Here the position of the ovary is half inferior or half superior. Whereas in hypogynous flowers the ovary is superior. The position of the ovary is superior. It is the most important. Whereas perigynous has contained half inferior or half superior. Okay. Next, perigynous. The thalamus is cup-like structure. The ovary or gynoecium are located at the center of the thalamus. Ovary or gynoecium located at center of thalamus. Center of the thalamus. Whereas other parts like calyx, corolla, andrecium, other parts like calyx, corolla and andrecium arise from the rim of the thalamus. It is the most important. Arise from rim of thalamus is the most important. Rim of the thalamus or edge of the thalamus. Rim of the thalamus or edge of the thalamus. Here the position of the ovary is position of ovary is half inferior or half superior, half inferior or half superior, half inferior or half superior. The calyx, corolla, androecium arise from the rim of the thalamus. Almost all parts are in same level, and almost all floral parts are same level. So these are the same level, almost same level, half inferior or half superior. Example, important examples are plum, peach and rose. Plum, peach and rose. So these are the main examples of the perigynous flowers. In hypogynous, ovary is located on the highest position of the thalamus, whereas in perigynous the ovary is located at the center of the thalamus. Plum, peach and rose. So this is the another example. Epigynous flower. What is epigynous flower? In here, in perigynous, the ovary or gynoecium is located at the center of the thalamus. In epigynous, the thalamus is a deep cup-like in structure. Deep cup-like in structure. So this is the thalamus. This is the thalamus present in the epigynous. Whereas the ovary is completely enclosed by the thalamus. Ovary is completely enclosed by the thalamus. Inside the ovary there is what are present inside the ovary? There are so many ovules are present. These are the ovules present inside the ovary, and the thalamus is completely enclosed to the ovary. And other parts like calyx, so this is the calyx, and corolla, and this is the calyx and corolla, and androecium are arised from the upper part of the ovary, hence the position of the ovary is inferior. Here the thalamus is deep cup-like in structure. Thalamus is deep cup-like in structure, whereas the ovary completely enclosed by the thalamus. The ovary completely enclosed by thalamus. Completely enclosed by thalamus. Whereas other floral parts are arised from the upper part of the ovary. Other floral parts arise from upper part of ovary or above the ovary. Here the position of the ovary is inferior. The position of ovary is inferior. And the example, cucumber and guava. Means dosa and jama. వీటిలో ఎలా ఉంటుందంట? thalamus is a deep cup-like structure. Thalamus is cup-like structure in perigynous, whereas deep cup-like structure in epigynous. Here this is about the epigynous and perigynous and hypogynous flowers, and another type of so here students, please listen carefully. We give a table for the easily understanding method. Table. So this is epigynous. First one, hypogynous. Perigynous. Epigynous. Perigynous, epigynous. And here, position of ovary. Position on. Place of ovary on thalamus. థలామస్ మీద ప్లేస్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూద్దాం. థలామస్ మీద ప్లేస్ అండ్ అదర్ పార్ట్స్, అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అదర్ పార్ట్స్. అంటే అదర్ పార్ట్స్ ఎలా అరేంజ్ అయ్యాయి ఒకసారి. నెక్స్ట్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓవరీ, పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఓవరీ and examples. In hypogynous, place of the ovary on the thalamus. Here highest position, it is situated on the highest, seated on the highest position of the thalamus. Arrangement of other flowers below to the ovary, below to ovary, whereas position of the ovary is superior. What are the examples? Mustard, brinjal, hibiscus. And here perigynous, center of the thalamus. Ovary is located on the center of the thalamus, whereas rim of the thalamus and also maximum same length, same height of all floral parts. All floral parts are equal in height, same height, whereas superior ovary here. Next, half inferior or half superior, half inferior or half superior, plum, peach and roach. The same way, epigynous. Where is the epigynous? The thalamus is a deep cup-like structure. It is the center of the cup-like thalamus, whereas center of the deep cup-like thalamus are enclosed by the deep cup-like thalamus. Completely enclosed by. Next, rim of the thalamus. Here upper part of ovary. Other parts are erased from the upper part of the ovary. Whereas the position of the ovary is inferior. Position of the ovary is inferior. Whereas examples, cucumber and guava. So this is the easiest method to study the different type of flowers. So I think it is useful to you. Okay students, and tomorrow we will discuss about other floral parts like calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay.